as I said, check for series, parallel, Wheatstone bridge, symmetry. And when nothing is happening, okay, then remember always you guys can check for one more thing that is there. Converting delta into star. Converting what, sir? Delta into star and star into delta. So I can actually rearrange the circuit like this. Right side and left side, what is there? Can you tell? 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 3. So this is how I rearrange the circuit. If you see here, actually we have a delta connection. Here also we have a delta connection. So actually from delta to R, if you want to convert, no. Let's say I'm taking 3 points. This is the concept. So what is the concept? Let's say you have A, B, and C. Resistance between them is AB, resistance between them is BC, and resistance between them is, let's say, AC. When you convert this into star, then do you guys know what will be these resistances? Let's say A, B, C. This let me call it as RA. This is let me call it as RB, and this is RC. Can you guys tell me what is RA?
Sir, I don't know the method of converting delta into star. Will you please elaborate it?
That's what this circuit. No, whenever you have any delta, no, actually you can keep this in between these two terminals. These resistors actually can be kept this way. That's what I'm telling. I'm just telling complete elaborate way only. Okay. Whenever there is a circuit like this, okay, actually between 3 points there is a triangle kind of structure like delta structure. These resistors can be rearranged in this manner. Okay. And this RA is given as, see, if you want this resistor means connected between these two. Let's say I'm showing it by a different color so that you'll understand. That means that pink one, we are going to convert this into this blue things. If you want this RA is nothing but this multiplied by this. That is what, sir? RAB into RAC by sum of all the resistance. That is RAB plus RAC plus RBC. So this is the formula. Similarly, RB would be what? Now you guys can tell me RB. Tell me what is RB? RB.
Sir, I didn't understand the formula for RA. How is it?
If you want this resistor, no, RA, I'm just telling you how to remember. Proof I'm not doing now, okay? So if you want to convert the delta into star, okay, like this, the pink structure into this blue structure, let's say the resistor connected to A is RA, and resistor connected to B is RB, resistor connected to C is RC. Now this RA is given as these two adjacent sides multiplied by sum of all the resistances. Similarly, RB, this resistor is connected given by adjacent sides. What are adjacent sides, sir? RAB and RBC. RAB into RBC by sum of all those things again. RAB plus RAC plus RBC. Is it clear? Similarly, RC also you guys can write the same way. Now see this thing, I'm changing it into like star form. Now can you tell me what are these resistors? I'm changing this into like delta into star. Now can you guys tell me what will be this resistor? Just now I told you method, no? This into this by total sum. 3 into 1 is how much? 3 by total sum is what? 5. So that means this resistor, no, whatever this resistor is there, this would be how much, sir? 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Similarly, what will be this value, sir? 1 by 5. What will be this value, sir? 3 by 5. Understood? In the similar way, sir, this will be how much, sir? 3 by 5. This will be how much, sir? 1 by 5. And this will be how much, sir? 3 into 1, 3 by 5. Now actually, I converted star into delta. So now I can remove this delta, whatever that is there. See, now I am removing this delta shape. If I remove delta shape, now you guys can tell me whether the answer is done or not. Delta shape, see, I am removing the delta shape. Now tell me answer is done or not.
Yes, sir.
Answer can be easily done, sir. How? See how these three things are connected. How these three things are connected? Series. And how these three things are connected? Series. And the resultant two are what? Parallel. And this entire thing is in series. So how to do it? 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5 plus 1. How much? 9 by 5. Now that 9 by 5 is in parallel with this 9 by 5. How much you'll get 9 by 5 and 9 by 5? Half it will become, no. It will become 9 by 10. Now that entire 9 by 10 is in series with what? 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. Is that correct? Entire 9 by 10 is in series with 3 by 5 and 3 by 5, that is 6 by 5. Now if I take LCM as 10, 9 plus 12. So answer is how much, sir? 21 by 10 ohms. This is the equivalent resistance. Is it clear for everyone? Understood, right?
Yes.
Fine. So this thing you have to remember how to convert star into delta. So in some good questions, it is like very much useful. Okay. So yeah. So as I said, so I hope this one everyone understood. Okay. So after converting delta into star, it became so easy. Now after converting that, we are able to see simple series parallel circuits we have seen, and simply we have added them to get the final answer. It's very easy after that, right? Okay, sir, that's fine. Next, you told you'll be telling second method. Yes, second method is also important. See here, I'm telling you the second method. Second method I'm going to use I'm going to solve by using model analysis. So let us see what is model analysis. Let's say model analysis is also standard concept which you will be using for mains. Okay. Let's say I'm using a 1 volt battery here. 1 volt battery. That means this side is, let's say, 1 volt, and right side will be what, sir? Obviously, this node will have 0. If I assume this node will have 0 volt, as this is potential difference, 1 volt is there. This side, how much it will be there, sir? 1 volt, right? Now, I don't know what potential it will be there here. So let me take it as let me take this point as X, and let me take this point as Y. Is not good. Black. Let me take this point as X and this point as Y. Now, can you guys tell me what will be this potential and this potential? Think. Okay, actually it is just the same basic concept, whatever I told you. So simply, okay, so I just won't tell any concept in like just for like simple sense. Why I asked the first question, there is a meaning for that. Just to explain this question only I asked. Now, I will check how many of you can tell what is the potential over here and potential over here. Anyone? Can anyone could answer what is the potential over here? Potential over here.
1 minus y.
Huh? How much?
1 minus y.
Yeah, very good. Nice. 1 minus y, and here it will be what, sir? 1 minus x. Okay. Sir, why, how we got 1 minus y and 1 minus x means? See, try to understand this. Here, earlier when this is not there, you guys told when whatever the current that is flowing here, the same current you guys have told it must be flown here. Now, as it is both are same resistors, so same current is there, then potential drop must be same. What is the potential drop that is there, sir, here between these 2 points? This node is having one potential, this node is having what potential? X. That means 1 minus x is the potential drop. That means obviously when here 0 is there, here 1 minus x must be there. So in a similar way, here also 1 minus y is there. Okay. And finally, what you have to find R equivalent? Can you guys tell? To find R equivalent, what you need to
Sir,
find? Yeah.
will you please repeat the potential question as I was disconnected here?
This
How
one,
it is?
1 minus x and 1 minus y.
Yes, sir.
See, actually, earlier when this is not there, no, you guys have like agreed for whatever the current that is flowing through 1 ohm, the same current will flow through this 1 ohm because of symmetry, right?
Yes, sir.
And whatever the current that is flowing through this 3 ohm, same current should flow through this 3 ohm. Right now.
Yes, sir.
Now, as same current and same resistance means, tell me the potential drop must be same or not across this and these 2 points. Here, what is
Yes,
the
sir.
potential drop? This side 1 volt is there, this side what x volt is there. What is the difference? 1 minus x.
Yes, sir.
Correct? That means potential drop across this resistor should also be 1 minus x only, no? Then only same current will flow.
Yes, sir.
So here already 0 is there, right side. This is 0 volt. That means obviously this side 1 minus x should only be there.
Yes, sir.
Potential difference should be 1 minus x. Similarly, here you got 1 minus y. Okay. So how many unknowns you guys have means here? 2 unknowns. Okay. So you can find 2 unknowns by using KVL or KCL. Okay, use junction law here or KCL, KVL here and find x and y. What will be the final answer here? Can anyone tell me what is R equivalent here? Let's say I current is flowing here. That will be split into let's say I1 and I2. What is R equivalent here? Can anyone tell? One by I. If you can find I, that is the R equivalent. Like easily the inverse of I itself is the R equivalent. Very clearly I told you, no. First of all, you need to get a sense of what is R equivalent also. What is R equivalent, guys? Can you tell? What is R equivalent? This entire thing can be replaced by a one single resistor. No. Then if you replace it by one single resistor, 1 volt is there and I current is flowing. So R equivalent is nothing but what? 1 volt by I itself. So in this question, if you guys